Hello everyone, and let me start by saying who won the giveaway. Just kidding. To make it even more interesting for you, I decided to reveal the results of the giveaway somewhere randomly during this video so you won't know where to skip. So I will start by answering a few questions you wrote to me. Am I selling my helium hotspot? Someone was asking me that in the comments, and unfortunately right now I don't really want to sell them. The keyword here is now, so maybe some other time. It also depends how much you want to pay me for it. Also, I want to point out one very important thing. Guys, please do your research before you purchase hardware for mining online, if it's an ASIC or GPU, because there are so many scammers, so many websites that just sells you fake stuff. They don't even sell you anything. They just pretend that they're going to ship you, and they have those amazing sales on the most interesting ASIC miners so far. And of course, like if you see the ASIC miner, which really costs around like $12,000 to $13,000 nowadays, and you see on their website it sells for like 5 or 4, I don't think that it's true. So you need to really be careful. Go to, I don't know, Trustpilot or some other website. Now I don't even trust Trustpilot because I saw some of the website, they were selling the fake comments and fake reviews to different websites. So it's really difficult nowadays not to be scammed. I'm saying that because one of the subscribers told me one sad story which happened like a few days ago. He created the account on one of the platforms for buying Bitcoin. And basically it's a well-known platform. You can go there, the website, but the thing is the domain name was written with a spelling mistake. So they basically moved one letter, so you don't really notice it, because when you just quickly typing it or you click on the first result in Google, and sometimes some of those fake websites, they create Google ads, so they will be on the first and you don't really see that. Just click it since you thought that it's the first one, and it looks exactly the same if you wouldn't really like read the domain name. That's what I usually do. I usually read it so I know that it's spelled correctly. So yeah, the person transferred quite a big amount of money to the platform, and then he's checking the account and then it's like always zero, and he asked me if it's supposed to be like that or not, and of course not. So well, I hope that that person managed to call the bank and he managed to get the money back. So yeah guys, be careful about that. Also I saw some fake comments from people who are trying to sell BTC for cheap, and they're writing underneath my videos sometimes showing that the other person in Telegram, just write to him, they leave a number. Don't fall for it, it's also a scam, so be careful. Oh, and it's actually time to reveal our giveaway winner. So let's quickly check that. It's not actually a lot of you who participated in the giveaway, because I thought that the majority of my subscribers will participate. At least you have more chances now. Okay, so let me click here. Now we will go Ledger Nano. I guess I just click draw. So the winner of the giveaway is Sergey Sarafanov. 8. Okay, yes, he's got 8 entries. He's from Animas, France. Okay, so congratulations, Sergey. I will contact you. I can see your email here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to contact that person, I'm going to get the address, and I'm going to ship it right now. So let's go. Sorry guys, I couldn't film in the post since the laws in Switzerland are pretty strict with showing other people's faces. And yeah, I've sent the parcel. I hope the winner receives it soon and he will enjoy using Ledger Nano S. I wanted to say thank you all for participating in my giveaway, for supporting this channel, and hopefully soon we'll have a new giveaways. There is something else I wanted to tell you guys. Since I'm still waiting for Z15 from Pro Miners and I'm not sure when they're going to send it to me, it's been already like I think 3 months, which is quite a lot. So I went on Coin Mining Central and I've purchased Goldshell KD2 miner. When I've checked the specification of that thing, I was quite happy because the power consumption of that machine is pretty good for the place I am in right now. I even wanted to purchase a few of those, but I decided to go easy. Since I have never purchased anything from Coin Mining Central, even though I've heard quite a good reviews. Plus, I'm not really familiar with KD2. Don't get me wrong, it just doesn't sound good as Bitcoin or Ethereum. And before you all start accusing me of being maximalist and pro BTC, I need to remind you that I'm taking it slowly and I'm doing my own research around that thing, and it takes some time for me to get into something new. Also, I'm looking forward into buying another ASIC from Goldshell. It's called LT5 and it mines Litecoin and Dogecoin. And recently I was thinking of purchasing Dogecoin since it's quite popular, thanks Elon Musk. So we will see if the Coin Mining Central will ship it to me quite quickly, and then I will purchase from them a new miner. Speaking of GPUs, it is just insane. I still cannot find any RTX 3070 or 3080. I'm not looking into 3090, but the shelves are empty right now, and like it's impossible to find them. I found a website and within 5 minutes they were sold out, and they were only selling 3. So I don't know how it will go, but for now, since there are no GPUs, I'm trying to find them, but I'll go more into ASIC mining. Oh, and I think it's time to do a bank transfer to Coin Mining Central, so I'll go now. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Okay guys, I just made the transfer to Coin Mining Central. It's quite loud on the street, so hopefully I will receive the miner in March, since they said they're going to ship it in March, and we'll see. And I will definitely make an unboxing and review of the KD2 miner.